Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to close your Sparkas bank account easily. To start, you'll need to submit a written request to Sparkas. You can do this by mail, through online banking, or by sending a secure message in the app. In your request, make sure to include your full name, address, and account number, and give clear instructions on where to transfer any remaining funds. If you are living abroad, no worries, you can still send your request by mail or online. Some Sparkas branches may also let you close your account in person or by phone, depending on their policies. Once your request is processed, your account will be officially closed, and you'll get a confirmation from the bank. And that's it. That's how you can close your Sparkas account safely and easily. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.